A chemical commonly used to dry clean clothes has been linked to an increase in Parkinson's disease, a rapidly growing brain condition. The chemical, trichloroethylene or TCE, has dozens of uses in military, industrial, commercial, medical, and consumer settings. It has been suspected of a connection to Parkinson's disease for decades, and a new report has provided damning evidence against it. The report includes case studies of people affected by the disease, such as former NBA star Brian Grant, one of the greatest boxers of all time Muhammad Ali, and actor Michael J. Fox, who were all diagnosed with Parkinson's. As a child, Grant and thousands of others drank and swam in the water supply at Camp Lejeune in North Carolina, which was found to contain top levels of TCE. TCE has also been linked to heart disease, miscarriages, birth defects, and several types of cancer. Only 2 U.S. states, New York and Minnesota, have prohibited the use of TCE. The authors of the report call for decisive action to curb the risks of TCE, including cleaning contaminated sites and extending to a comprehensive ban. Despite warnings about its risks, the use of TCE is increasing worldwide.